Hey everybody, guess what we have? We have another unboxing for BeeBeeCraft. Now, I did open it enough because there was not a return address that I recognized, so just remember that when you get your stuff from BeeBeeCraft. And I opened it just enough to realize what it was, and then I closed it up real quick. So that's why it is cut open. Now, as you guys know, I love to do BeeBeeCraft unboxings. And then, of course, there'll be 2 more videos in which we are crafting, which I have been doing, and I have ink under my fingernails. Sorry about that. And we'll be making stuff using some of the things we already have, some of the things we already have from BeeBeeCraft, and then the new things that we've gotten. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our unboxing. Now, I've been working on a project, so I don't have my whiteboard out. I just cleared a space for us to do this video. So I hope the reflection from the lights isn't too much. Let me see what we got going here. Wow. Wow. Okay, that's one part. Let's see if we can get this open. Aha. Never be defeated by tape. Okay. Oh, my border trim. Check this out. Is this not pretty or what? Look at all the different colors. It's like an explosion of flowers, but it's pieces of trim. This is the red. Let the camera focus on it for a minute. Looks a little orange on camera, but I promise you it's red. And the pink and blue. And then there's also purple. Purple is pretty, pretty, pretty. There's the purple. Okay, so there's pieces in here, and I don't remember if it's a yard of each one. Hold on, let me tell you here in just a second. Yeah, it looks to be about a yard of each color. So there's the purple, there's the green, there's the red, and there's the pink. Oh, and there's a peach. Let me show you the peach. I didn't even realize it was in there. That's pretty. Okay, so there's the peach. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 yards of this border. Now I think they sell it individually, but this seemed like the better deal to me. All the links to every single item that I unbox are going to be below this video, so you can click on a link and go to each individual product. Then there's also a discounted link to the whole shop, and that will be below the video as well. Okay? So we'll just put these, let me do them in half. Okay. We'll put them right here. Oh, I don't want to put that on that ink, do I? I'll put them right there. I have all kinds of stuff going on for once. Got a big jar. Oh, I bet this is that washi. Yes, inside this jar are 100 little rolls of washi. I didn't realize it was going to come in this cute little jar. So there's 100 rolls of washi in here. All different sorts. You can't pick what you get, but look at all that. That's going to be fun. So let's open it up. It's got a little handle on it too. Let's open it up and let's take a look at a few. Okay, so here's one. Here's one that's got little fruits and hearts on it. Never get right in front of the camera, do I? I'm not going to go through all 100, don't worry. This one's cute. I'm not really sure what that is on there. It might be that little Japanese little what is he? Bunny. And he's got little cacti plants that he's holding. I can't think what's his name. Pichu. I love that little character. I have one of the little pictures of him printed out on a piece of paper and stuck to my lamp. Okay, so then we've got this one. And this one. And so on and so forth. So there's lots of great ones. Each one is individual in there, but each one is wrapped individually as well, so they don't come unrolled. Oh, it's just stuck. It just looked wrapped because of the edge of it. So each one has got a little starter spot, so you don't have to try to find it. Oh, this is that little bunny. I love him so much, and he's holding a little cactus plant. Ah! There's a lot of really pretty patterned ones in here. There's a few cartoon ones. There's a couple with fruit. There's some with hearts. Yeah, so overall, I'm going to say I'm very happy with that. I really like the lace. What do we have in here? Oh, I don't know if these are going to work for what I thought. I thought they would be a little bit bigger. They might still work. I was thinking of making a one of those pens that you put the beads on the top, but I'm not sure if the ink tube will fit through there. So we may have to rethink that. I'll have to go back and measure the opening for these beads. Let me show them to you up close. Get my camera set a little far away to cover the whole work area for the project I'm doing. You're making a tall journal, 11 inches tall, so we need a bunch of space. Okay, so here are the beads. They're very pretty. They're porcelain. I think we get 10. They're painted. That makes them very, very pretty. Maybe I'll make a dangle for the pen to attach on with the other. I don't know. This has been an ongoing project, and if any of you know what size, what millimeter center hole to get, I think it's 1. I thought it was 1 millimeter, but that's what I thought these were. It says not suitable for children. I guess not, unless you want to end up with a kid with one up their nose or something, huh? Oh, here we go. And some clear stamps, silicone stamps. Let me see if I can get this undone. And this is Global Land. Sold through BeeBeeCraft. So that's pretty cool. I got it for this and this one especially. And I'm getting ready to do a grunge project, and I think we're going to crack that one out. And I like this one and this one. I like all of the ones. I'm not big on words, but that was on there with all these other really cool stamps. So I decided to go ahead and pick it as, you know, as well. But I really like this one, and I think it's going to do well on my, let me get the sticky off there and see if I can get the card out. Ozzy's over there coughing. There, now you can see it better. Very cool. Now there's another part to it, to the package. in here that's wrapped separate. Let me rip this bag open. It's wrapped up in cardboard and a Ziploc bag. Wow. I don't know what it is, so I don't know how to open it. I think I'm just going to take my scissors. Just knocked over my glue. Yeah, I think I'll just take my scissors. Undo some of this tape. If I can get one end open, maybe I can slide it out. No, the tape is holding it on the other side. This is like Christmas, you guys. This is what happens when you have an unboxing and you don't undo it first. There's some dye. Oh, these are the really cool ones. Oz is thinking about barking. Oz. Sorry about that. I know that was a little loud. It looks like a film strip. And then this one is the giant specimen holder, bendy thing. Let me get a piece of black paper. Very cool. All right, so there's this one. It's the two film strips. This one, which is like a little file folder. You fold it in half. You take these out, and then it cuts it out, and then you fold it in half. Okay. And then look at this giant specimen slide. That is so cool. Oops. All right, here's my hand. Now granted, I have small hands, but still, that's how big it is. So it's going to make a slide half that big. Is that not cool or what? Okay. We're still not done. Now, I get a budget of $40. So this is all, oops, here's another. Oh, wow. I'm still not done, you guys. Check these out. These are what were in the Ziploc bag. These are film reels, but they have spots for, let me get my black paper out again, for pictures that zigzag off to the side. So like you put a picture in here, another one in here, another one in here, you take these out and use those, you know, to punch out the little stars. This one I think is a little plain. This one says photo. And I can't read these backwards. Guess I could put them blade side up. Let's see. That one says time, I think. Photo time. Oh, photo time. Anyway, so there's that one. And then there's this one. How cool are these? These are so cool. I love them. I love them. All right, let's get our last thing out. I think it's the last thing. It's stuck in here with the tape. I'm still cutting tape, you guys. And this is paper, but I don't remember what kind it was that I chose. Let me look on the packing slip and see what it says. If it says the name or just the, oh, it's just got the item number. Is this paper or is there something in there? Because there's a piece of cardboard in the center. It almost looks like this is foam. It's way too loud. Let's investigate. Since I don't remember. Oh, come on, you silly hands. Sorry about that, you guys. No, that is foam. This is what happens when you have an unboxing. You don't remember what you got. Oh, this is for me. Make sure it's something we can show. Yes. Before coffee, I hate everyone. After coffee, I feel good about hating everyone. This is for my craft room. So I did get something for myself. It was only a couple of dollars. But it's still crafting. It's going to go in the craft room. I love it. I couldn't figure out what it was. I totally forgot. Okay, so we got this. We got the washi. We got the beads. And the really cool die. The two big ones. The two small ones. Or three small ones. 1, 2, 3 small ones. The stamps. The silicone stamps. And 5 yards of flower trim. I think we did a good job, don't you? Spread some of this out here. I think we had a haul here. And another one of these. I don't know where to put them all. I'm going to cover up my... Maybe I'll take that out of the photo anyway. Put that there. Yeah, I'll have to take it out of the photo. And the beads. Can't forget the beads. Okay, well that's it for this unboxing. And I'll see you in the next video, which is, we will be crafting. And I guarantee you we'll be making something with these. And then there'll be 2 more videos that will be crafting. And I will see you then. And that will be just a second for you. No, it'll be a week for you because they come out on Saturdays. And it'll be a day for me because I will record them ahead of time. Okay? All right. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.